Nongma nongmagi piksilagli ba Loktak Park Kanba amadi taru tanana thambada miyamgi achauba mating jangi haina Manipurgi Governor Ajay Kumar Valakna phongdokre wafam asing asi Manipur University ki auditorium dat numit humni chupna pangthokadaba implications of climate change and conservation of natural resources and cultural heritage haina mingthon ba national conference hongdokpugi thoramda mahakna phongdokibane Manipur University ki Department of Life Sciences amasung International Council for Deterioration of Cultural Property Lucknow Kuchanaraga Sinba Thoramatuda, Chief Guest ke Warod Piraduna, Governor Ajay Kumar Valana Hai, Climate Change na Kari Chaiting Pirakadagi Highway Mipum Kurimak ke Wakalon the Lay, Adobo Ahan ba Ikoina Kanga the Matau Karamna Climate Change as he Oida Kibano Amasong, Masigi Chaiting as he Matau Karamna, Hantahan Gatake Highway Sene, Mahusagi ecosystem Kaitarakpa, Ikuyi Tongan Basaktam Busagat Saktakiba cultural heritage sing mangtharakpa, temperature wangkhalakpa, natural resources mangtharakpa, biodiversity da kaitharakpa amade miyoi khunai gi punsi mahing da chawna singnaba ama lakliba kaya se climate change da pirakpa chaitheng singne hauzik malem gi oina natural resources sing mayeng tarakpa iroina na mising di nongmanong gi hengalakle mising hengalakpa sinu natural resources ki mapal tangbagi achauba safu ama supiribane hauzik warakliba fibam asida natural resource sing yariba makai tungsinaba honabagi matamne natural resource sing kanbada mating pangbana mamai thangda ecosystem so phagalakpa ngamgadawribane maram aduna yariba makai natural resource sing likna sijinasi haina mahakna phongdokhe Thormaduda Governor Ajay Kumar Valana Makhatana Hai, Manipurda water body sing Marangkaina Lairam Labasung Aside, Ayambana Mankibadagi, ecosystem da so Ajoba Chaiting Pangle, State Asiki Sakyang Mingsel Oribat Loktak Pat Asiso, Nomugi Pixelagle, Pada Sibungak Selaga Tarutanana Tamba Haibasida, Miyamgi Ajoba Togdang Lay, Yariba Makai Loktak Pat Wachinda. Aikoi punna hondamina se masi tawhogdrubadi Loktak Pat asi kanwa ngamdre haina miyamna lengakta maral sirakani haina so Governor Ajay Kumar Valana makatake.
We have Manipur is a very good example. You had so many water bodies and all. Now, over a period of time, some of those ecosystems at water point have disappeared. Loktak is getting reduced in size. So, I mean, if we resort to Swachhta as a this thing and ensure that we don't waste, we don't create waste extra and then spoil the water bodies and then later on we crib and complain that nothing is happening, government is not doing anything in cleaning these and maintaining them properly. So we have to feel that we are part of it. This Swachhta mission covered about more than 4,000 towns. And this initiative has definitely added to lots of things. So, I mean, just an example I thought I'll give you. Manipur, of course, is a jewel of India. It's rich biodiversity, natural resources, and a vibrant cultural heritage. It's a place full of history, full of biodiversity of flora, so many species of orchids. You name a thing, it's I mean like there. And you had a culture of organic farming also in earlier time, which is now being again sort of being revived.
Thauramadu, the President ki warol piraduna Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra na haikibada climate change na pirakpa chaiting yak chamhanba haibase ikpek pudingmak ki thaudang ne numit humni chupna pangthokadaba national conferences na miyoiba khunai na climate change ki chaiting thengnana bohona badalawudaba thaudang henna mayek sengna khanghan lagani haibase mahaki thazabani haina mahak makatana phungdoke.
These centuries-old practices need to be harnessed for logical and sustainable growth, aiming at overall socio-economic development, which can be the forefront of achieving the realistic bioeconomy, thereby ensuring the secure conservation of the bioresources. To achieve all this, we need to inculcate and execute with the provisions under the National Education Policy, so 2020, Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, and the various other skill-oriented schemes and startups. I feel this national conference on implications of climate change and conservation of natural resources and cultural heritage, with the congregation of various experts in the relevant field from various institutes, will deliberate and deliver on the objective of fulfilling the desired outcomes.